Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to remove duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this column here, and in this I have multiple values here, but here you can see that we have some duplicate values in it as well, because we have two here, then here we have one here, and then here. Okay, so how basically we can remove like duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, make sure that you are into this data tab here, and then you will select your cell, your basically whole cells here, or your range, what you can say, and then make sure that you are into this data tab here, and here in this data tools option you can see this option where it says remove duplicates. So just click on this one, and right now we just have this column number A here, so it will just showing us column A. If we have more, then it will basically show us more, and then click on OK here, and here you can see that we had like 2 and 1 duplicates, and it is just removed right now. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.